Hello guys, so here is a detailed comparison video of Yonex Mavis 200i shuttle versus Yonex Mavis 350 shuttle. Talking about this box, you won't get anything dissimilar in both the shuttles. This Mavis 200i will be replaced by Mavis 350. This 200i will be replaced by 350, and also the price. So this is Mavis 200i, and the shuttles comes at a maximum retail price of 475 rupees. The MRP is printed on the box as 475 rupees, but you will get the shuttle for around 350 to 400 rupees. Before the lockdown you used to get, but for now you are getting it for MRP price only, because the production is very less in Japan. So you can't get these shuttles for a cheaper price. And this Mavis 350 shuttles, the MRP in the box is printed at 999 rupees, and you will actually get it for 999 rupees in India, because earlier I told you, because of the low production in Japan. So the price difference is really, I mean, there is a vast difference. Talking about this 200i shuttle, the cork is a recycled cork. This is a plastic cork, and you can see Yonex is printed on the cork. Weight of the shuttle is really light. And talking about this Mavis 350, you can see this green tape is only visible, and Yonex is written on this base. You can see made in Japan M350. So this is one of the difference in the shuttle. Second and the most important difference is, okay, when you see the shuttle, you take the shuttle and you hit a drop shot, the shuttle will fall like this. I mean, uh, consider this is your net, this is your net, I mean, just far away from the net. So this won't offer you a very good resistance like a, you can say, a feather shuttle. And now talking about this Mavis 350, when you hit a drop shot, the trajectory of the shuttle will be like this. It will fall like this. It will just go to the net and fall like this. So this is very close to a feather shuttle. So I can say this is for professionals. Professionals don't play with this shuttle. I would not recommend you if you are a professional playing with the shuttle, but you can use it for practice purposes, because this will also serve the purpose. And for professionals, this is highly recommended. So another thing which people talk about is the durability of the shuttle, and I've heard on online platforms that this Mavis 200i shuttle is more durable than this 350 shuttle because of the cork, plastic cork, and this is a wooden cork. That is why this is more durable. Let me tell you, this is fake. Now see, this is a Mavis 200i shuttle, and I've been playing this on a cemented, you can say cemented court with good dimensions, and this is what it looks. I also played on from this Yonex Mavis 350 shuttle on that cemented court only, and see, it can still play, it can still bear. So these are the condition of the shuttle after using it for 5 days. See Mavis 200i and see Mavis 350. Now I can tell you, this 200i shuttle, this is a bit heavier than this 350 shuttle. This is one other reason that the shuttle break really easily. More the weight, so more will be the friction when it hits the ground, and there is a chance that it will break easily. So this is one of the factor. And talking about other things, this Mavis 200i shuttle, this will last for 2 to 3 matches if you are smashing it, if you are a pro player. And these shuttles, they will last for 7 to 8 matches. If you are smashing, they can bear the smashes and all. And also, if I tell you, if you are just a kid playing like recreational purposes, not smashing and all, this shuttle can bear for 1 week also. And these shuttles will last forever, I mean for 1 month. So if you are a kid, you can go for this will surely last for a lot time, and this is way better than those 10 to 20 rupee shuttle which won't last for a day. So yeah, this is one thing. Okay, so the last thing which we will talk in the video is the control of the shuttle. Of course, as I told you, that this Mavis 350i shuttle, I'm really sorry, Mavis 350 shuttle, this acts more like a feather shuttle because of the trajectory, and this 200i shuttle, this won't have a trajectory like a feather shuttle. So if you are hitting a drop shot, you may end up getting the shuttle overhead, and then you will receive a quick smash which you can't defend. So talking about the control, of course 350 is better. And now the last thing, people have said that both the shuttle, they are not lasting. Let me tell you, I also play outdoor and I'm also a professional player playing indoor. So when I play indoor, these two shuttle, they will last for 2 to 3 days. I mean, of course they do. And when I'm playing outdoor, they won't last. Because I tell you the reason. Because of the uneven surface, when this cork falls, um, external forces, they act on the shuttle, and there is a very good chance that this fur, this nylon skirt, this will break. So you can't compare indoor play to the outdoor play. Of course, in the indoor play, your shuttle will be conserved. They won't break easily. It will break easily, but it won't break very easily like on the outdoor front. So I would just suggest you, this is an indoor game. If you want to save your shuttle, if you want to save your penny, play indoors, not outdoors. Choose a court, improve your game. That will be very good for you. I hope you like this detailed video. If you do like it, please subscribe to my channel. And if you like that there is some more specifications about these two shuttle which I can make, so please comment below. Of course I'll improve my videos because I want to improve for my visitors, for my subscribers. So stay tuned for more. Bye bye for now.